Hey guys, Half Chrome. You can see I'm rocking the Freewell t-shirt. They sent us some stuff to test out. We're going to tell you about it. We've got the monitor hood to work on your Mavic Air or your Mavic Pro, and
we got filters for the Mavic Air, and also for any Mavic, this is a tablet mount that we're going to be showing you as well.
We'll tell you which of these we like the best and which one of these we plan to use every day. Alright, you can see we've got some sunglasses on our Mavic Air. Chris, tell us about these filters.
Okay, so this comes with a broad array of different filters. We got circular polarizer and then 3 filters, ND 16, 32, and 64, with polarization as well. And then also 4 more standard filters, the 4 polarizing filters. Now you can get this set here for over $100 on Amazon, or you can downgrade and get, for example, just the ND filters, which is going to be probably enough for most people. Something we learned about the filters, we had no idea until we got these and saw the filters had threads. This little guy, this ring, comes right off the Mavic Air, not something you have on the Mavic Pro.
Yeah.
The Mavic Pro, you're slipping on these friction fit filters, which add some weight. Sometimes some of them throw off and give you an error because of the imbalance. Had no issues. We put on the heaviest one. We put on one of the, I think we put on the ND8 circular polarizer here. The polarizers are a little bit bigger because they have the extra mechanism to be able to spin the filter around. Put it on, no errors, no issues at all. Gimbal works great. As you can see here, also the polarization on our ND8 polarized filter does work. Holding it up in front of the TV, which is a polarized pixels on the TV, and you can see as we rotate it around, it does get darker. So great set. We're going to be using these filters every day for sure.
Yeah, probably stick with the ND8.
Probably going to fly generally just with the ND8 on there. Slow down the frame rate for our videos. For photos, not a big deal. Don't need a filter. But for videos, helps to make your video look a little more cinematic. ND8 is a bit of a compromise. It's never going to be perfect whether you're facing the sun or not, but we're going to try it out with the ND8 and see how things go.
Absolutely.
So the tablet mount has this aluminum structure in here with some lightweighting holes. Don't know if you can see that. And this this cool spherical mount. It's kind of like a tripod mount. And then you can throw your tablet up there. I've got an iPad mini there, but it does support larger tablets as well. Now the trick is, how do you get from the micro USB up to whatever you have here? Typically a micro USB, now USB-C or lightning jack. What we used here was from our from our Phantom Pro. They have an adapter that goes from micro USB into a generic large USB, and I was able to plug our Apple lightning jack into that. So that was able to work. You can see me there, the Mavic Pro hanging out back there. And this mount will work with your Mavic Air, your Mavic Pro, your Mavic 2 when it comes out. So that's what's going on with this guy. It works well, can't complain. If you're set on having a tablet with your Mavic, then this is probably the way to go. No complaints.
Alright, so I've got this monitor hood from Freewell. It's actually pretty well built. I've tested a few of these things. I really like this one. It does a nice job. You know, if you've been flying in the sun, you know that it's a pain in the butt, right? You get that glare, it's hard to see. We put it on here. It works, right? I've got this hooked up to my Mavic Air. You can see I forgot my sticks there. But you can see right in there, it's going to block that glare for me. I can hold it here. The lanyard does a nice job of holding it. It is attached to my phone via some straps and some Velcro. I do feel pretty confident with it here. And of course, I can get it closer, or I can just hold it there. I think that's a nice position for it. So if you're looking for something that's inexpensive and a good way to block the glare on your screen, check out this remote control hood by Freewell. Okay, so I'm going to keep the hood and fly that with my Mavic Pro. I really like it. Hate that glare from the sun. Chris?
I get to keep the filters here. I'm going to be flying with the Air. Now, am I going to be using this? Probably not. I tend to fly with my phone, and it doesn't really offer a benefit there, but it will support even the larger tablets, as you can see. So if you do prefer the bigger screen, maybe you don't have the best vision, this is a great option to go with. I wish I could have the hood, but he gets to keep it.
Yes.
We got to split it up.
And I got the t-shirt. I like this thing.
T-shirt too.
Yeah.
But these filters are awesome. I'm going to be flying with these every day, and we're going to be using that hood all the time too. So,
yeah.
Good stuff from Freewell. We got links to it in the description below, and they've been popping up there as well. So make sure you check those out. Support the channel by using these links to buy them. It does help us out.
It does.
And make sure you subscribe and check out the website as well.
Yeah. Check us out on halfchrome.com. Thanks for watching.
See you next time.